Hi, my name is Mansi and I graduated from Mody in the year 2007, specializing in electronics and communication. When I joined Mody, my goal was to be a good engineer, but Mody has provided us a platform where you can also excel in other arenas such as cultural space and sports. My favorite part has been the cultural fest and the tech fest that happens once a year. Definitely it has a beautiful large campus and it has well-equipped infrastructure, but the best part about Mody is its faculty. They're extremely hardworking and they make it their personal goal to make sure that their students excel. I'm really thankful to Sudhanshu Sinha sir for bringing in all the multinational companies to the campus to have on-campus placements for the students. All the teachers really help you get equipped, well prepared, and get ready for the corporate world. I was one of the lucky ones who got placed from campus, and today I'm here in Los Angeles, California, working for one of the top-notch entertainment studios, all because my stepping stone was one of the companies that I got placed into while I was studying at Mody. I'm really thankful for letting me be part of the family, and I really hope the family grows. Thank you.